Hey guys, welcome back. Neil here. We are back with another video, and this is just gonna be a plain and straightforward video about Pixels updates. We're gonna do some market analysis in the next few minutes, but we are also going to tackle about what are the current updates and how's the game going, given that there are some tweakings on the task board. So yeah, just to give you guys a heads up. For some tasks, you're lucky if you get this less expensive pixel task, but mostly with my experience, I get tasks that are basically expensive resources just to get one pixel. So yeah, you're lucky to have this, but usually for some pixel tasks, it costs you around 20 to 30k coins for just one pixel. Compared to before, you get like 5 pixel per task. Now I think you get only around 2 to 3 pixel as the highest reward for a lucky roll of pixel task. Aside from that, guys, we can check on the updates and the AMA recap. So here we're gonna highlight what are the most important updates. Chapter 2 is coming and they are like around 95% done with all the needed tweaking and features of Pixel. But yeah, let's talk about Spec and how it works. So if you guys have a spec on your account, you can visit land and then here under home you can go to your spec. But before this, guys, you can finish a quest first regarding spec, and from here you can use this spec. So right now it's not upgradable, but you can put I think one industry here in your spec. The good thing is you can also put one storage or more storage if you want. But if we're going to check the leaks that the Pixel team have provided, this is how it looks like on a Pixel upgrade. I am assuming this is a large spec upgrade. So basically, there's gonna be like small upgrade or medium upgrade, but this one looks like it's already a land. So basically, you can fit as much industries as you can. You can also fill your entire upgraded spec with soil if that is what you want. But yeah, there's gonna be trees and though it's not going to be the same as the NFT land with trees, it has decent amount of trees, which is by the way a very expensive resource. So yeah, you can have trees, and then you also get a free mine on your speck of land if you upgrade it. Now going to the one that I think matters the most is the this question, VIP benefits. So yes, a lot of players are complaining why they don't get as much as Pixels rewards as the old players have is because they have low level. And it was answered here that Pixels still weigh Pixel tasks to BIP in the system. Now, if you buy BIP and you are low level in progression, you can cycle through the pixel task and cycle through the task to drain pixel from the system. But if you have a higher level and you have VIP, then that should maximize your earnings. So what I advise guys is make sure you have a balanced skill and have a decent total amount of skills. So in my case, I think I have around 200 levels. That's why I get decent amount of pixel rewards as well in my tasks. So yeah, I think that gives big difference compared to just having a farming level and then just forestry level or just one level that is very high. There's a bunch of resources that you can get if you have high levels and different skills. So if we're gonna check my task board here, you guys can see that every task is almost completely different and they belong to different industries or different skills. So that is how it works, guys. You get more pixel tasks basically if you have high levels because you can get high tier resources. We're going to check pixel. I think this helps players understand what's the current market trend. So yeah, right now we are in the 4 hour time frame, but if we're gonna check the daily time frame, you guys can see here that it's currently in a downtrend, and we can see here that the price can go down given that this is already a bearish move, guys. So I'm expecting here that we can somehow hold this one if we don't break this line. But if we break this in the next few days, then that's gonna be a downtrend and we could go down even lower. Now, if you go to the 4 hours, you guys can see here that it seems like this support at around 37 cents is being respected at the moment, and we are kind of like bouncing in here. So yeah, right now the market is bouncing or respecting this support at the moment. But again, guys, if we break this support, it's gonna go down even lower. If we respect this support, there's gonna be a tendency that we will go back to the 51 cents, and hopefully we try to retest this again and break this so we can go back up to around 74 cents. So that's going to be the next price level if we break this resistance. Let's just say the price went this way. We tried to retest this and broke through it. There's going to be a chance that we will go back to 74 cents. So, yeah, guys, that's just all in this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.